how to switch account on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to App. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can switch account on WhatsApp on iPhone. Now process itself is simple. Simply open up your WhatsApp application, and here you can see I'm logged into my account. Here you can see at the bottom various options, and you can see settings option there as well. What you want to do is you want to simply tap on settings option. Once on settings, you want to simply tap on account option here. Now once on account, you can see delete my account, and you can see various options, and there you can see change number option. You want to simply tap on change number, and you can simply change your number. Now if you want to switch your account, this is the only way. The other way is what you can do is you can simply uninstall this application and you want to reinstall it. Once you uninstall it, you want to head into Play Store and you want to App Store, and you want to reinstall it, and once you reinstall, you can log in back to your other account. So this is the only way you can switch account on WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.